Okay, the last function of money is other functions. Under this, we have three. Money helps to repayment, helps in the repayment capacity. 1 minute. Money helps to maintain repayment capacity. Money helps to maintain repayment capacity. Then money represents generalized purchasing power. Money represents generalized purchasing power. Money gives liquidity to capital. Money gives liquidity to capital. So these are the other functions of money. So under this, money helps to maintain repayment capacity. Money possesses the quality of general acceptability. Already we have seen this in medium of exchange itself. Money possesses the quality of general acceptability. What do you mean by that? You buy anything and you give money, and anybody accepts money and they give the product. Okay. To maintain its repayment capacity, every firm has to keep assets in the form of liquid cash. So every firm, okay, they must have a certain part of assets in the form of money. Okay, every firm, to maintain its repayment capacity in the firm, whenever they buy something, when they buy a raw material, they have to make payment. Okay, to make this payment, they must have some money, they must have some liquid assets. So to maintain its repayment capacity, every firm has to keep assets in the form of liquid cash. So every firm must have its assets in the form of liquid cash. So the firm ensures its repayment capacity with money. So whenever the firm wants to buy something, it has to repay it in the form of money. Likewise, banks, insurance companies, and even governments have to keep some liquid money. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? பேங்க்லயும் சரி, கவர்மெண்ட்னாலும் சரி, கடைனாலும் சரி, ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட நேரத்தில் கொஞ்சம் பணத்தை என்ன பண்ணணும்? கொஞ்சம் அசட்ஸை பணமா வச்சிருக்கணும். அசட்டா வச்சிருக்கேன், டேபிளா வச்சிருக்கேன், ஃபேனா வச்சிருக்கேன், பில்டிங்கா வச்சிருக்கேன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. கொஞ்சம் அசட்ஸ் எப்போதுமே என்ன இருக்கணும்? கேஷா, மணியா இருக்கணும். அப்பதான் ஏதாவது ஒரு பிரச்சனை வந்ததுன்னா டக்குன்னு மணியை கொடுக்க முடியும். ஸோ எவ்ரி bank, let it be bank or insurance company or firms or government, they should have some liquid money to maintain the repayment capacity. So money helps to maintain repayment capacity. So every firm or every bank, insurance company or government should have a certain amount of assets in the form of money which will enable them to repay. That is only called as money helps to maintain repayment capacity. Then money represents generalized purchasing power. What do you mean by purchasing power? You give money and you buy something. Okay, how much commodity you are able to buy giving the money, that is only called as your purchasing power. So purchasing power kept in terms of money can be put to any use. So money can be put to any use. It is not necessary that money should be used only for the purpose of for which it has been saved. You need not use money only for a particular purpose. In case I am saving money, okay, I am saving it to invest in the business. Suppose if I change my mind not to invest in business, suppose if I want to do something else, I can immediately change my mind and invest in that thing. Okay, so purchasing power kept in terms of money can be put to any use. You can use the money for any purpose. It is not necessary that money should be used only for the purpose for which it has been saved. It can be used for any purpose. In your book, there is a mistake. It is given as served. It is not served. It is saved. I will read it again. Under this, money represents generalized purchasing power. Purchasing power kept in terms of money can be put to any use. It is not necessary that money should be used only for the purpose for which it has been saved. Make a change there. Last one, money gives liquidity to capital. Money gives liquidity to capital. Already we have seen this. Money is the most liquid form of capital. It can be put to any use. Money is the most liquid form of capital and it can be put to any use. So these are the functions of money. So we have seen only the functions of money today. Hope I am not fast. So the functions of money can be classified under 4 categories: the primary function, the secondary function, and the contingent functions and other functions. So under primary functions, we saw the medium of exchange and measure of value. Under the secondary function, we saw the store of value and standard of deferred payment, and one more, means of transferring purchasing power. That is, you are able to transfer the purchasing power from one place to another or one person to another. Contingent function, basis of credit system. So money is only the basis for the credit system. Banks are able to create money or create credit with the help of money. Money facilitates distribution of national income. Under the national income, from the distribution side, money helps to calculate the national income from the distribution side. What do you mean by distribution side? You have the factors of production, namely land, capital, labor, and labor, capital, and organization. So the incomes which you distribute to these factors of production are called as factor incomes. Land gets rent, labor gets wages, capital gets interest, and organization gets profit. So money facilitates the distribution of national income. Then money helps to equalize marginal utilities and marginal productivities. The amount of money that you give and the commodity that you buy must have the same level of marginal utility. So money helps to equalize marginal utilities and marginal productivities. Then money increases productivity of capital. Money can be invested in anything from a less productive to more productive area. So money increases productivity of capital. Lastly, we saw other function. Money helps to maintain repayment capacity. So any firm or government or insurance or bank companies must have their assets in the form of money to maintain the repayment capacity. Then we saw represents generalized purchasing power. Money represents generalized purchasing power. And lastly, we saw money gives liquidity to capital. So these are the functions of money. So 1 minute, girls. Let me turn to the question side. So what do you have? We have already seen definition for money, barter system, commodity money, gold standard plastic money, and inflation. There is no question on this part. The functions of money. Yeah, there is one. Question number 36. Explain the functions of money. The answer for this is found on page number 79. There is only one question under part D. Answer the following questions in about a page. Explain the functions of money. Explain the functions of money. So this is a 5-mark question. For this, you have to write the full thing. The 4 main headings: primary, secondary, contingent functions, and the side headings also. You have to explain. It is not enough if you write only the side headings. You need to explain. Okay. So this is the answer for question number 36. I think we'll stop with this for today's class. Hope you do your homework and your classwork regularly. Okay. Whenever I give an assignment, take a picture of the assignment and post it in the WhatsApp group. When you take a picture, please take it properly, girls. Okay. Zoom it properly, position it properly, and then take a picture. Then only it will be easy for me to go through it and correct it. Okay, girls. Thank you. God bless you.